Imagine a blog that manages its own production cycle. Once you provide the initial keywords, a system in the background researches the facts, writes the articles, and hits publish while you sleep. This 5-stage pipeline maps the architecture. A spreadsheet feeds a research module, handing findings to an AI writer, then an image generator, and finally your website. You must authorize these connections with active API keys for Make.com, OpenAI, your image generator, and WordPress. Physically connecting these platforms into a logic-driven loop is what transforms a manual hustle into a passive publishing system. We begin with the trigger. A basic Google Sheet acts as the master control switch. Dropping target keywords into a single column is the only manual step required to start. Inside the Make.com configuration panel, set your trigger module to Watch New Rows. If you leave this set to monitor all data, the system will reprocess every old keyword in your sheet every time it runs. This creates a loop that can exhaust your automation credits in minutes. Now, we map the raw keyword data from the spreadsheet cell directly into the search prompt of an AI research agent. You must set strict prompt constraints here. Instruct the AI agent to retrieve real-time factual statistics and a list of related subtopics. A common mistake is bypassing this stage and sending the keyword directly to a writing model. Without a research grounding, AI models often hallucinate facts. Publishing inaccurate content will eventually result in the loss of your website's SEO authority and reader trust. Establishing a dedicated research node ensures the system generates rankable, high-value assets rather than low-effort spam. Next, we move from gathering facts to generating the actual article. We add the primary text generation module to the sequence. Now, you must map the output data from the research agent directly into the system prompt of the AI writer. Standard AI outputs often result in dense, unformatted blocks of text that are difficult for humans and search engines to read. To achieve the structured layout on the right, include technical instructions forcing the AI to use short paragraphs and strict HTML tags for all subheadings. We also need a visual element for the article. A featured image is required for modern SEO performance and social sharing. Reference the original spreadsheet keyword again to prompt an image generation module for a relevant thumbnail. Within the image module settings, you must set the output format to a direct URL rather than a static file. Using strict HTML structures and URL-based images ensures that your final content integrates correctly when it reaches your live site. The final technical hurdle is pushing the assembled text and imagery into your website's database. Standard website security often blocks automated third-party requests, which will cause this final step to fail. To clear this roadblock, go to your user settings and generate a dedicated application password. This allows Make.com to communicate with your site securely. Map the HTML text into the body field, the keyword into the title, and the image URL into the media field. Ensure you set the post status to publish, so the article goes live immediately instead of staying in your drafts. With these nodes connected, the automation loop is complete. Mapping these final data points transforms these tools into a single autonomous publishing engine. For our live test, we enter a single target keyword into the master spreadsheet. On the dashboard, we can see the system trigger. Each module lights up as it processes the data in real time. This is the result on the live site, a researched, formatted article complete with a featured image. This successful run proved the system can handle large batches. You can now add hundreds of keywords to your sheet, and the pipeline will process every entry in the queue. This workflow allows for the steady scaling of website traffic on autopilot. Subscribe to AI and Gen Z for more passive income and AI tips.